Hello and welcome back. It's been a while. Let's talk about something brand new, linear algebra. So, a lot of my videos are on calculus, or eventually I'll be getting around to a differential equations series. But this is kind of something new to us. Now, if you're a math student, science student, engineering student, you're definitely going to see linear algebra. Or even just in your regular day life, you're going to need to know, or not need to know, you're going to want to know linear algebra because it can help us out with a lot of things that you will see in your everyday life. So with linear algebra, we deal a lot with things called matrices, or in a singular form, a matrix. And we have two different forms of matrices. We have a regular matrix, which is surrounded by square brackets, and you will have some set of numbers. These are just random numbers that I'm putting in. They could be anything. I mean, they could be e, they could be a square root. This could be the square root of 3. Most of the time, you're going to see regular old numbers in your matrices, but I mean, you could have anything in there. You could have variables, you could have imaginary numbers, but this is just called a regular. It's just a regular matrix. Another form of matrix we can have is something that looks a bit like this. With a line in the middle, or not in the middle, right before the last row of numbers. And this is called an augmented matrix. And so basically what this gives us is it can be commonly thought about as a system of equations. For example, this could be 3x plus y plus 6z equals 3, and the same for every row. And you may have noticed already that I'm referring to rows. And so what we have here is this would be row 1, this would be column 1. Same goes for, say, this would be column 3, this would be row 2. And so we can refer to the things in this matrix as, say, x, and then you would denote the row that it's in. Say if we were talking about this 2 here, we would have x, 2, because it's in the second row, and the second column, so 2. In general terms, we would say it's x, I, j. And so this is really all there is to what is a matrix. In the next video, we will talk about the things we can do with matrices. We will talk about adding matrices, multiplying matrices, subtracting matrices, which is really just addition. But we will not get into dividing matrices, as that is much more complicated. So thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one, and I wish you all luck either watching this series or in your linear algebra journeys or classes.